Welcome back, everyone, to Echo English Studio.
Where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Emily.
Hello, Emily. Hello, everyone. It's wonderful to be with you all today. I'm Tom, and I am very happy to be here.
I'm happy you are here too, Tom. How are you today?
I'm doing great, thank you. The sun is shining. It's a beautiful day. How about you, Emily?
I'm very well, thank you. And I'm excited for our topic today. It's something we all do.
Ooh, that sounds interesting. What are we talking about?
Today, we are going to talk about the supermarket. Yay!
The supermarket. Yes, that is a very useful topic. We all need to buy food.
Exactly. We will talk about the words and phrases you can use when you go shopping for groceries.
That's a fantastic idea. But before we begin our shopping trip, we have a small request for our amazing listeners.
Yes. If you enjoy our podcast, please take a moment to subscribe to
Echo English Studio.
It helps us a lot.
And don't forget to give this episode a like and share it with your friends who are also learning English.
Your support is wonderful. Okay, Tom, are you ready to go to the supermarket?
I am ready. I even have my shopping list.
A shopping list? That is very organized. I always make a list too. It helps me remember everything.
Me too. Without a list, I forget the milk or the bread.
So, what is on your list today, Tom?
Let me see. I need some fruit, I need apples and bananas, and I need some yogurt.
Okay, fruit and yogurt. A healthy choice.
I try. What about your list, Emily?
My list is a little longer. I need milk, eggs, and bread. I also need some chicken for dinner tonight and maybe some carrots.
Chicken and carrots sound delicious for dinner. Okay, so we have our lists. Let's imagine we are at the supermarket now.
Perfect. We walk in through the big glass doors. What is the first thing we need, Tom?
Well, we need something to put our food in. We need a shopping cart or a shopping basket.
Yes, exactly. A shopping cart is the big one with wheels. You push it.
And a shopping basket is the small one. You carry it.
Which one do you want today, Tom? Your list is short.
A basket is good for me today. I only need 3 things. What about you, Emily?
My list is longer. I need a cart. I will push the big shopping cart.
Good idea. Okay, you have your cart and I have my basket. Where do we go first?
Let's get your fruit first. The fruit and vegetable section is usually near the entrance.
Oh, yes, I see it. It's very colorful. Lots of reds, greens, and yellows.
It is. So your list says you need apples.
Yes.
Ah, look, the apples are right here. There are red apples and green apples. Which ones do you prefer?
I like the red apples. They are sweet. The green apples are a little sour.
I like red apples too. How many apples do you need?
I think 4 apples will be good. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, the apples are in my basket.
Great. Now, what's next on your list?
I need bananas. Where are the bananas?
Let's look. Ah, I see them. They are over there, next to the oranges.
Oh, yes, I see. I see a big bunch of bananas. They look very fresh.
They do. Some are yellow and some are a little green.
I like the yellow ones. They are ready to eat. I will take this bunch. 4 bananas.
Perfect. So you have your apples and your bananas. Your fruit is done.
Yes, that was easy. Now let's look at your list, Emily.
Okay, I need carrots. Carrots are vegetables, so they should be here too.
Let's see. Carrots. Found them. They're next to the potatoes.
Ah, great job, Tom. These look nice and orange. I will get a bag of carrots.
Excellent. So fruits and vegetables are done. What is the next section?
Well, I need milk and eggs, and you need yogurt.
Where do we find those things?
I know this one. We need to go to the dairy section. It's usually at the back of the store.
That's right. Let's walk to the back. Ooh, it's getting a little cold.
Yes, the dairy section is always cold. Brr, all the refrigerators are here.
Okay, I see the milk. There are many different kinds. Big cartons and small cartons. Do you need a big carton or a small one?
I think a big carton of milk. My family drinks a lot of milk with cereal in the morning.
Good choice. Okay, milk is in the cart. Now eggs.
The eggs are right next to the milk. Perfect. I need a dozen eggs.
A dozen is 12, right?
Yes, exactly. 1 dozen is 12 eggs, and a half dozen is 6 eggs.
Ah, okay, a dozen eggs. Here you go. Be careful with them.
Thank you, Tom. I will put them in the cart gently. Now it's your turn. You need yogurt.
Yes, the yogurt is here too. Wow, so many flavors. Strawberry, blueberry, vanilla.
Which one is your favorite?
I love strawberry yogurt. I will get 2 small pots of strawberry yogurt.
Yum! That sounds good. Okay, our dairy shopping is finished.
Great. Let's look at the lists again. What is next?
My list says bread.
Ah, bread. That means we need to find the bakery section.
I love the bakery section. It always smells so good.
Me too. The smell of fresh bread is the best. I can smell it now.
Let's follow the good smell. Here we are. Look at all the bread.
There are loaves of bread, bread rolls, and even cakes and cookies.
It all looks so delicious. I just need 1 loaf of white bread for sandwiches.
This one looks soft and fresh. Here you go.
Thank you, Tom. In the cart it goes. Oh, wait. Look at those chocolate cookies.
They look very good. Should we get some?
It's not on the list. Maybe just a small treat, a small bag of cookies.
I think that's a great idea. Let's get the cookies.
Yay! Okay, cookies are in the cart. Now I have to be serious again. What is next on my list?
Let me see. It says chicken, right?
Chicken for dinner. So we need to go to the meat section, or the meat counter. The meat counter is usually next to the dairy section at the back of the store.
Let's go. Here we are. There's a person working behind the counter.
We can ask them for what we need. Yes, I will say, hello, can I please have 2 chicken breasts?
That's a perfect way to ask. And the person will say, of course.
They weigh the chicken and wrap it for me. There, now I have the chicken for dinner.
Fantastic. Is that everything on your list, Emily?
Let me check. Milk, eggs, bread, chicken, carrots. Yes, that's everything on my list.
And I have my apples, bananas, and yogurt. So our lists are complete.
Yes, but wait, I have an idea. I'm a little thirsty from all this shopping.
Me too. We should get something to drink. Let's go to the drinks aisle.
Good idea. An aisle is the long path between the shelves in a supermarket.
That's right. Aisle 1, aisle 2. Let's find the drinks aisle. Ah, here it is. Aisle 7.
Wow, look at all the drinks. There is water, juice, soda. I would like some juice. Orange juice sounds good.
Okay, here is a carton of orange juice for you. I'm just going to get a big bottle of water.
Water is always a good choice. Okay, now I think we have everything.
I think so too. So where do we go now?
We have to pay for our food. We need to go to the checkout.
Exactly. The checkout is at the front of the store. Let's go.
Look, there are a few checkout lines open. Some are for many items, and some are express lines for few items. The express line is for people with 10 items or less. You have a basket, Tom. You can use the express line.
Oh, that's right. But I will wait with you. You have a big cart.
Thank you, Tom. Okay, this line is not too long. Let's wait here. Now it's our turn. We put our items on the conveyor belt. Yes, I'll put my milk, eggs, bread, chicken, carrots, cookies, and water on the belt.
And I'll put my apples, bananas, yogurt, and orange juice.
The cashier is ready for us. Hello.
Hello, how are you today?
We are great, thank you.
Did you find everything you were looking for?
Yes, we did. Thank you for asking.
Beep, beep, beep. Okay, your total is $32.45.
Okay, can I pay with a card?
Yes, of course. Cash or card is fine. You can insert your card into the machine here.
Perfect. I'll put my credit card in. Beep. It's done.
Thank you. Would you like a bag for your groceries?
Oh, yes, please. I forgot my bags today. 2 bags, please.
Paper or plastic?
Plastic bags are fine. Thank you.
Okay, here are your groceries in 2 bags, and here is your receipt. Have a wonderful day.
Thank you so much. You too. Goodbye.
Wow, Emily, that was a perfect checkout conversation.
Thank you, Tom. You're a very good cashier.
It was fun, and now we have all our food. We can go home.
Yes, a successful shopping trip. We practiced a lot of useful English.
We really did. We talked about a shopping list, a cart, and a basket.
And all the different sections, the fruit and vegetable section, the dairy section, the bakery, and the meat counter. We used important words like aisle and checkout, and we asked for things politely.
Yes, saying please and thank you is so important.
It is. It makes every conversation better. What if we can't find something? What can we say?
That's a great question. We can find a store employee and say, "Excuse me, where can I find the pasta?" "Excuse me, where can I find the pasta?"
That's very clear and polite.
And the employee will help you. They can say, "It's in aisle 4.
Ah, yes. So don't be afraid to ask for help. People are usually very nice.
Exactly. Practice is the most important part of learning. Going to the supermarket is great practice.
It is. You see the words on the signs and you can have small conversations.
Yes, you can talk about what you want to buy. I want some red apples. Or, I need a loaf of bread.
And you can talk about quantity.
A dozen eggs, a bottle of water, a bag of carrots.
You made some really good points, Tom. I hope our listeners found this helpful.
I am sure they did. It was fun to imagine the whole trip from the list to the final. Thank you.
It was, and now I'm a little hungry thinking about all that food.
Me too. I'm ready to eat my strawberry yogurt.
And I am ready to think about making that chicken and carrots for dinner.
Well, that brings us to the end of our episode for today. We had so much fun with you all.
We did. And we want to say a huge thank you for listening to Echo English Studio.
Before you go, please remember to subscribe so you don't miss our next episode.
And if you liked our trip to the supermarket, please give us a thumbs up and share this with your friends and family. We also love to hear from you. Please leave a comment below. For today's question, tell us what is one thing you always buy at the supermarket.
Ooh, that's a fun question. I'm excited to read the answers. My one thing is always coffee.
Ah, good one. Mine is probably cheese. I love cheese.
Great answer. Okay, everyone, that's all for now. Keep practicing your English, and remember, learning can be easy and fun. Until next time, goodbye.
Bye, everyone. Take care.